Actually, I had a...
Alrighty, we came home from Lubbock to find this. This is pretty dry right at this point. Teddy bear was saved. But this is covered in mud and water. Mud, mud, mud. Let's see. It's kind of muddy and watery. We'll go this way. Mud. The light doesn't work anymore, but this is squishy. This is soaked. Soaked. And let's see if we can get... That's how much water there is. Up all the way to our Nintendo. Boo-hoo. Okay, well, my closet's junky. Oh well. It's all probably going in the trash anyway. Okay. Making our way out here to our little dry spot, and then here's the really bad part. This, I'm trying to show you how deep it is about that deep. It's deep. Treadmill, chairs. It did not get up to my quilts. That thing's floating under there. This is my storage closet. I think everything's all right in there, but you see the water splashing off the fan. It's pretty deep. Oh, man. And it's 10 o'clock at night.